Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Okay, what I did today was I just shampooed and conditioned my client's hair, and now I'm blow drying it. She got a weave about 3 to 4 weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and this is her bi-weekly appointment. And as you can see, her tracks are spaced far apart because she didn't want her weave super thick. She wanted it to look as close to her hair as it possibly could. So that's why I spaced it like it is, so it can look as natural as possible and really slowly. Okay, right now what you see me doing is reinforcing the tracks because every 2 weeks when she comes, sometimes that's on the size they should be. So when my clients come in and I see that there's tracks loose, what I do is I tighten them up for them so they can get the full amount of wear on at least 2 to 2.5 months. Okay, if you guys aren't already following me, I can be followed on Facebook at Hair by Lola, on Instagram at Lola_Chantel65, and on Twitter at Lola Chantel. Okay, I wanted you guys to see this hair. See how when it's wet, it's wavy? She can wear this hair either flat iron or wavy like that. The curl pattern is awesome. Clients that I have referred to his and her hair company to order this French refined hair, they've been able to use this hair for over a year. This hair is very good. This hair is very good, and when you get the proper maintenance done to it, it lasts a long time. Very good hair. French refined is what everybody started off with years ago until they came up with Indian and then Brazilian and all that. And you can never really go wrong when you get the French refined because, it's good hair. Sometimes you can get a bad bundle of the Indian or the Brazilian or the African or Jamaican, all these other nationality type hairs. But I have never had a customer go wrong with French refined. I'm not saying that all the other kinds are bad here because you can get some very good bundles, in those types of hair. Okay, I've already started flat ironing the hair off camera just for time purposes. So what you're seeing me do now is flat ironing the. This color is really good for clients who are transitioning and they want to start wearing their hair gray, but they don't want to go all the way gray because their hair isn't all the way gray. So this is a gradual step to them being able to wear their natural hair, um, their natural gray hair. Okay, once again, this was just a bi-weekly appointment where she gets her sew-in, shampoo, conditioned, and tracks tightened up, where they need to be tightened up, and a flat iron. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, like I said before, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. I can be followed at on Facebook at Hair by Lola, on Instagram at Lola_Chantel65, and on Twitter at Lola Chantel.